Before buying Susengo, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Whether you've seen it pop up as a promising solution or are just curious about how it stacks up against competitors, I'm going to break it down for you in a way that helps you make a smart decision. Stick around until the end because I'll also share how to get the best offer and some exclusive benefits just for trying it out. First, let's talk about the user interface. Susengo's interface is surprisingly clean and intuitive, especially when you compare it to competitors like Salesforce or HubSpot, which can often feel a little clunky or overwhelming. From my experience, navigating through Susengo's dashboard feels much more streamlined. It doesn't take long to figure out where everything is, and they've really simplified complex features without stripping down functionality. If you're someone who values ease of use, that's a big plus. Next thing, let's get into pricing. Susengo offers a competitive pricing structure compared to other tools in the same category. Unlike Salesforce, which can hit you with a steep price tag as you scale, Susengo provides a much more flexible range that suits smaller businesses and startups just as well as larger enterprises. You get a lot of value for your money, especially when you consider the free trial, which you can access right through the link below. This makes it risk-free to test the platform before committing financially. The third thing I want to mention is the customer support. Having used Susengo myself, I can vouch that their customer support is solid. While other competitors like Zoho or HubSpot can sometimes have longer response times, Susengo seems to prioritize their users with quick, personalized help. Whether you need a live chat or a support ticket, I've found their team responsive and easy to work with, which makes a huge difference if you run into any issues. Next thing you need to know is the level of customization you can expect. Susengo is definitely ahead of the game when it comes to customization options. Many competitors lock you into preset features, but Susengo allows for a high degree of personalization. From setting up your dashboard to customizing workflows, the flexibility is impressive. If you want to tailor the software to your specific needs, Susengo doesn't hold you back like some of the bigger players in the space. The fifth thing on the list is integrations. One of the biggest concerns with any tool is whether it can integrate with the other software you're already using. With Susengo, integrations are smooth and seamless. Whether you're linking it with your email marketing platform, CRM, or even your social media tools, Susengo plays well with others. Some tools are known for having limited integrations, but Susengo does a good job of ensuring compatibility with a wide range of apps and systems. The sixth thing that makes Susengo stand out is its automation features. Compared to competitors, Susengo's automation capabilities are top tier. You can set up automatic responses, follow-ups, and workflow triggers in a matter of minutes. This can save you a ton of time and help you streamline processes, which is a game changer if you're looking to boost efficiency. If automation is a big deal for you, Susengo's features are definitely worth exploring. The last thing I want to highlight is its scalability. As your business grows, you need tools that can grow with you, and Susengo delivers on that. Unlike platforms that make you feel like you're constantly outgrowing them, Susengo offers multiple plans that scale as you need more features. This means you're not locked into a rigid plan structure like you might be with something like HubSpot. If you're still wondering whether Susengo is the right fit for you, I'll tell you this. It's a solid choice if you want a tool that balances ease of use, flexibility, and powerful features. And remember, the best way to try it is through the free trial in the description below, where you can get exclusive benefits and see how it can work for you. So, if you're ready to dive in and give Susengo a shot, click the first link in the description to claim the best free trial available. You won't regret giving it a try.